much do you think that bastard weighs?
Oh, man. Huh?
How much do you think he weighs? How much do you think that thing weighs?
I don't know. We didn't find out.
Holy shit. Hold him up. I got the... Good God, he's a monster. You okay?
Hell yeah.
Better than 6, huh? Careful, that's a trick question.
This little cheap wieldy motherfuckers. He weighs.
You ain't got that.
He motherfuckers.
Oh, no! Careful.
He tagged these motherfuckers out.
No, I didn't.
And that's 13 pounds.
Hit. Baby, are you sure you about to tack them out?
Fucking tacked it right here, man. It wouldn't even go no more.
How long is he?
13 pounds.
How long is he?
He is. Hold on, man.
You gonna make a stringer?
Roughly 34.
He's about 3 foot long. You gonna make a stringer?
Yeah.
So you can keep him wet?
Try to.
Why don't you go through his gill?
I want to keep him alive longer.
Why wouldn't you put it through his gill?
Because he can't breathe.
Oh. Well, fish, I think you bit the wrong one. I think you bit the wrong minute today. Holy shit. Are you happy now? He's too big to even fucking eat. Is he a flathead cat or no? Is that a flathead? Careful, you're cutting yourself. I've got that multi-tool thing. You want it?
Fucking nah.
Here, I got one. Here, I got one. I got this. I came prepared. Here. Here you go. Here. Got a knife on it, everything.